Hello from Brussels. We went to the EU institutions today, EU Parliament and European Commission, together with Harald Seiz, the Karatbars International CEO. And thank you so much for joining us. We talked about politics already, and now we would like to talk about a little bit what happened this year. You had a great year. For example, you went to Miami, and there are a lot of good news coming out.
This year, after our ICO, with a very successful ICO with 140 million, we counted, we opened a bank in Miami and 4th of July, the Independence Day from the American people, and they was very excited. This is the right time we are open this, because we have our new currency backed in gold. Our KBC coin will backed in gold, and this is why we invest also 100 million in this case, and the people are excited there.
And when we talk about the US, there's also next year a very important date. It's also the Independence Day. What can we expect next year?
That's a very exciting thing. We offer the people in the 4th of July for 100 KBC coins, 1 gram gold. And never before in the history of coins do someone this same, that he get assets for the coins.
And I think another new thing we can expect also this year on December 1st, you are opening the holding office in Frankfurt in Germany.
Yeah, we have a big plan, and why we do this, and why we founded our new company there, our new holding. We need more assets that the people can trust us, and this is why we buy for a new mine, and in Africa, and in this mine are 550 tons of gold. This is 2 billion assets behind, and this is very important that we guarantee the people for 100 coins, 1 gram gold, and this is why we work behind on this, and these assets will be in this company from Frankfurt. This is our bank in Miami, and we have the one store in Frankfurt, in Germany. And this holding get these assets behind with the insurance from the HSBC Bank, the China Bank, and the Allianz. And this is amazing for the people. Then he can trust all what we're doing.
Yeah, these are really good names. So what can we expect of the year 2019?
In 2019, we create our new blockchain. We work on this, and in September we are ready with this. This blockchain will be very special. No before has this blockchain. We have a fee system on the top, and a blockchain is transparent and decentralized, and that's the problem. You cannot handle this because we can handle a fee system on the top on the blockchain and can offer in the whole world.
So maybe when you think about 5 years back, you had a vision, and now everything went so quickly, and the technology gives you so many offers. What do you think about the development?
Yes, in this time, I promise the people it's very important you have small units on gold, because it's the same like now. The difference is, we have the solution for a payment system, and we has the coin. And this was the best solution what I had in the last year, in 2017, the coin backed in gold. This is a currency, and we can call it a currency, and we can spread it in the whole world, and is decentralized and transparent for all people. And that's the amazing thing what I can say what is different like in this time before.
Yeah, and it was a great vision, and we can see what technology can offer us today and how quickly everything is. Harald Seiz, the CEO of Karatbars International. Thank you very much for the interview, and thank you for watching.